is your name? There's Yanabelle and Rosemary. What's your name again? What's your name? Huh? Irene. Irene. That's Eunice. And you said Novalyn? And that's Charity, right? Are you guys Pobre? Oh, there's Dimple, look. It's peanut butter sandwiches. And there's Claire and Joella. What's your name?
Christian.
Christian. And there's Who Won? Angelica. What's your name? And there's Princess. It's birthday of Princess March 26th. There's Mary Lou. And Mary Dean, right? And there's Jurianne. Jurilyn. There's Nina. Ah! Hello, Nina. And there's Baby Cell. And there's Bebong. How are you today, Bebong? What's your name again?
Oy, kasi wala pa. Ako. Chiska.
Chiska?
Oy. Kami wala. Oh, ikaw Roxanne.
Who's your mom?
Ako wala para ba?
This one?
Wilma.
Oh.
Nang Wilma. Oh, na naman.
What's her name again? What's her name? Cheska?
Chiska.
Cheska. How do you spell that? Okay, Cheska. How are you today, Eric? Kumusta? It's hot, right? Isn't it? It's getting hotter weather now. I can't believe it. It's already hot. It's going to be hotter. Wow, that's a lot of sandwiches real fast, huh? You guys like the sandwich?
Hoy, ganun ba ko naman sa pan?
Yay!
Wala day.
Claire, how are you today? Kumusta? Kumusta? Are you Mayo? You're very cute, you know that. Guapa ka. Yeah? Guapa ka.